Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix the Xbox error code 0x80 0x83 or 3f9006. Sorry, it's a little bit hard to see. Anyways, once you do that, the first thing I would recommend you guys doing is clicking on the Xbox logo on your controller, heading over to Profile and System, and you're going to sign out of your account. Basically, once you sign out and sign back in, that might fix the issue. If it does not, the second thing you guys can do is heading over to Settings, going to Accounts, and you're going to remove your account, and then you're going to add it back. A little bit similar to the first one, but it's different. But anyways, once you do that as well, check to see if it fixes the issue. If it does not, the third method I recommend doing is going to Network Settings. From Network Settings, what you're basically going to do is you want to go to Advanced Settings, and you're going to change the primary and secondary DNS. You're going to change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8, and you're going to change the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. And once you do that, you should be good to go and you're all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.